In my humble opinion, the best cast iron skillet is the Lodge 10.25-inch cast iron skillet. The Lodge 10.25-inch cast iron skillet is crafted with precision, highlighting its American-made heritage. With its superb heat retention, this skillet ensures even cooking, which means that, with a bit of cooking know-how, your food will come out just right every time. Also, its pre-seasoned surface offers an easy release right out of the box, making it a great choice for those new to cast iron cooking. One of the standout features is its versatility, because whether you're frying eggs, searing steak, baking a dessert, or roasting vegetables, this skillet can handle it all. It works seamlessly on various heat sources, including stovetops, ovens, grills, and even campfires. Plus, the skillet's robust construction promises durability, ensuring it will last generations, which is really impressive in today's world of cheaply made skillets. However, the substantial weight might be a bit daunting, especially if you're moving it around frequently. Similarly, careful handling is necessary when it's hot, but the integrated looped handle helps improve grip. Also, keep in mind that with great performance comes the need for regular maintenance. Keeping it in top shape requires a thorough cleaning process to prevent rust and maintain its seasoning. Despite these minor inconveniences, if you can call them that, the Lodge cast iron skillet proves to be an invaluable kitchen tool thanks to its ability to cook a wide range of dishes, and the added benefit of enhanced flavors makes this skillet a favorite among many cooks. Overall, if you value longevity and performance in kitchenware, this skillet is definitely worth considering. The number 2 product on my list is the Utopia Kitchen Cast Iron Skillet, which I rate as the best cast iron pan for those seeking versatile and durable cookware for both indoor and outdoor cooking. This skillet from Utopia Kitchen offers you great versatility, allowing you to use it on the stovetop or in the oven. Better yet, its superior heat retention means your food stays warm for longer periods, making it ideal for dishes that need consistent heat. You might find that it makes cooking a pleasure, given its capability to handle a variety of recipes effortlessly. You'll also appreciate that it comes pre-seasoned, which saves you a step in the initial preparation process. It's designed to enhance the flavor of your meals over time as the seasoning builds up, improving your cooking experience. You can benefit greatly from using this skillet, particularly if you prepare a lot of iron-rich meals, as it can actually boost the iron content of your food. On the flip side, you might notice its weight as a potential drawback. At nearly 8 pounds, it's not the easiest to handle, especially when full. It's also worth noting that it requires more care compared to non-stick counterparts. You'll need to hand wash it, dry it immediately, and regularly apply a light coating of oil. This extra care can be seen as a small price to pay for the benefits you get though. Its lack of a non-stick coating might require you to adjust your cooking habits slightly. This means you'll need to be diligent about maintaining the seasoning to keep food from sticking. But with time, you'll find that it becomes more non-stick with use. If you're willing to invest a bit of time in maintaining it, this skillet can become a trusted tool in your kitchen for years to come. Checking in at number 3 is the Amazon Basics Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Skillet, which I really think is one of the best cast iron skillets that you can get your hands on. It's a solid purchase for anyone in need of a large, reliable cast iron skillet that promises even heat distribution. This Amazon Basics cast iron skillet impresses with its ability to maintain consistent temperatures. The 15-inch diameter offers ample cooking space, making it perfect for preparing large meals, and you'll no doubt appreciate the even heat distribution, which ensures your food cooks uniformly without any hot spots. Coming pre-seasoned, this skillet is ready for use right out of the box. Although the pre-seasoning doesn't make it completely non-stick, it adds a layer of convenience to your cooking. Regular seasoning will improve this feature over time, enhancing its overall usability. Of course, the pre-seasoned surface does reduce the amount of oil needed, which is a plus for health-conscious cooks. On the flip side, the skillet's weight might be something to consider because at approximately 11.5 pounds, It's sturdy, but not the easiest to maneuver. Also, you'll need to use oven mitts or pot holders to handle it safely because it gets extremely hot due to its authentic cast iron construction. The weight, combined with its large size, might be a challenge for those with smaller kitchen spaces or less arm strength. Additionally, maintenance can be a bit of an effort as this skillet requires hand washing and seasoning to maintain its quality. Cast iron is notoriously particular about its care, and this skillet is no exception. The lack of a non-stick coating means you need to be diligent about cleaning and drying it properly to prevent rust. However, if maintained correctly, this skillet could become your go-to cooking tool for years of quality cooking. Despite these considerations, this skillet represents a solid investment for anyone looking to elevate their cooking. Its affordability and performance make it an attractive option for both seasoned chefs and novice cooks. Like many satisfied buyers, you may well find that its benefits outweigh the few drawbacks, especially with regular use and proper care. Up next is the Cuisinel cast iron skillet with lid, which earns the 4th spot on my best cast iron pans list, thanks to being a durable and versatile option for your kitchen that can handle everything from frying to baking with ease. This Cuisinel cast iron skillet with lid truly stands out because of its robust construction and exceptional heat distribution. The smooth finish of the skillet ensures that the heat spreads evenly, which is crucial for perfect cooking. You'll notice a significant improvement in your frying and baking results when using this skillet. What separates this skillet from others is its versatile use. It's suitable for various cooking methods, including grilling, broiling, and even outdoor cooking. You'll find it incredibly handy for whipping up a wide range of dishes, whether you're sautéing vegetables or frying meat. Also, the added cast iron brazier lid with drip points helps retain moisture, turning your skillet into a mini casserole. One more thing you'll appreciate is the craftsmanship. This skillet is built to last, enduring years of cooking and washing. If you follow the recommended care instructions, the cast iron will continue to perform brilliantly, adding value to your kitchen over time. However, keep in mind that, like the other cast iron skillets, it is quite heavy. Its weight can be a bit cumbersome, especially when lifting it out of the oven. Additionally, the silicone handle holder is a nice feature because this skillet definitely gets hot during cooking, so you'll need to use an oven mitt if you forget to attach the silicone handle holder. Lastly, proper maintenance is essential. Hand washing, thorough drying, and seasoning with oil are necessary steps to keep your skillet in top condition, which is definitely worth doing considering the intrinsic quality of this cast iron masterpiece. Moving on to product number 5, we have the Lodge 15-inch cast iron skillet, which is a great option to buy today. Lodge's classic 15-inch cast iron skillet is absolutely perfect for anyone serious about cooking, offering unparalleled durability and versatility. The versatility of the USA-made Lodge 15-inch cast iron skillet is remarkable. Whether you're using it on the stovetop, grill, or even over a campfire, this skillet performs exceptionally well. Its size makes it perfect for cooking family-sized meals, from searing steaks to frying bacon. The helper handle is a thoughtful addition, making it easier to lift despite its weight. One of its standout features is its heat retention capability. This cast iron skillet heats up slowly, but once it does, it distributes the heat uniformly. This results in consistently cooked meals without the hot spots you might experience with other materials. The pre-seasoning is also a significant time saver, allowing you to use it straight out of the box and build up even better seasoning with continued use. Now, cleaning can be a learning curve, especially if you're new to cast iron. The skillet needs to be dried immediately after rinsing to prevent rust, and it's advisable to reapply a thin layer of oil whilst the pan is still warm. Over time, this routine will enhance the cooking surface, making it increasingly non-stick. Although it requires effort, the results are well worth it. Lastly, this skillet's durability stands out. It's virtually indestructible and designed to last for generations. Despite its rugged build, it's backed by a lifetime warranty, reaffirming Lodge's confidence in their USA-made product. For anyone who values cookware that can stand the test of time, the Lodge Skillet is a top choice. Up next on my list of the best cast iron skillets is the Utopia Kitchen Cast Iron Skillet Set, which is a versatile, budget-friendly skillet set perfect for diverse cooking needs. This Utopia Kitchen Cast Iron Skillet set includes 3 skillets of different sizes, 10, 8, and 6 inches. These sizes cover a wide range of cooking needs, whether you're whipping up a simple omelet or a hearty steak. Also, each pan is crafted with unique handles that make maneuvering and pouring a breeze. One of the key highlights is the even heat distribution, thanks to the high-quality cast iron material. You can look forward to a uniform cooking experience, eliminating those pesky cold spots in your food. Although these pans come pre-seasoned, a bit of extra seasoning before the first use enhances their performance. The versatility of these pans is another major selling point. They can be used on almost any heat source, from stovetops to ovens to grills. Whether you're frying, sautéing, roasting, or even grilling, these pans handle it all effortlessly. With proper maintenance and seasoning, they can last for years. Care is easy, but crucial. You need to let the pans cool completely before washing them with hot, soapy water. This helps maintain the seasoning over time and keeps the cast iron in top-notch condition. Although the pans have a slightly rough surface, they smooth out with use and proper seasoning. Keep them oiled and dry to avoid rust, making them durable additions to your kitchen. Next up on my best iron skillet list is the Victoria Cast Iron Skillet, which is an excellent choice for anyone in need of reliable and versatile cookware. If you're looking for a skillet that can handle a variety of cooking tasks, the Victoria Cast Iron Skillet is a solid pick. Its excellent heat retention ensures that your dishes are cooked evenly and stay warm longer. Thanks to the non-GMO flaxseed oil seasoning, you'll enjoy a naturally non-stick surface that only gets better with time. In terms of usability, one of the standout features is the larger curved handles. They offer a firm grip, making it easier to maneuver the skillet despite its heft. Moreover, this cookware is immensely versatile. Use it for frying, baking, and even serving dishes straight from the oven to the table, making it a multifunctional tool in your kitchen. However, this skillet is on the heavier side, which might be cumbersome for some users. You'll also need to put in a bit of effort to maintain its seasoning to keep it non-stick and rust-free. Although it's not dishwasher safe, a quick hand wash will keep it in prime condition. Overall, this skillet is an excellent investment if you want a piece of cookware that gets better with age and use. Its ability to naturally boost your iron intake is an added health benefit that sets it apart from other non-cast iron options. Whether you're searing steaks or baking a deep dish pizza, this skillet is more than up to the task. And with that said, I really hope my video helped you to pick the best cast iron skillet brand for you. Again, the links to each of these products are at the top of the description box. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.